Going right, smart, yeah, and this is Gamee right here, or game. You can decide to call it game, right? Whichever name you want to call it, right? But I'm going to show you how you mine this right here. You can see unlock and join right here. Mining phase has started, and we are mining 2 billion again, right? First phase we mined 2 billion, second phase we mined 250 million, watt points, right? And this is the third phase right here, and the third phase is not even up to 1%. You can see this right here, right? And it's going to last for what, 49 days. That's about 50 days. But trust me, right, this thing is not going to reach like 10 days before this guy is going to finish, right? So this is the third phase, and the reason why I'm making this video is because lots of people, they don't know how to mine this, right? They can't unlock this and join, right? So we've got this end tab right here. If you go to this end tab, you can see some claim reward right here. This is the second phase, right? This is what I mined during the second phase, which is 8,287, right? That's the second phase. And let me show you what I mined the first phase. So Watprotocol, go to Watprotocol and you'll be able to see what you mined in the first phase, which is 4,000. Let me show you right away, right? So I'm not hiding any stuff right here. Look at my balance right here. That's for the first phase, right? 4,116, right? So let me show you how you can participate, right, on this third phase, because it's very, very important. And this project is backed by BINANCE Lab, so you don't want to joke with this. You want to mine this guy right as soon as possible, right? So just click on the unlock and join, right? So when you go to the unlock, right, and you're going to see this right here, discover password here, right? So there is a password that you need to input right here on this code section for you to unlock it, right? This code section right here. So click on it, right? So just click on it, right? So the password should, all right, this is the official the official page right here, and let's go get the password. The password is down, right? It should take you straight to the password, because I've been on this page before. That's why it disappeared, right? So just note that is why it disappeared, right? This is the password right here. You can see what a new mine is open, right? And the Whitebird created the biggest watt point mine there has ever been, right? So there will not be any more chance to get watt point after this. So this is the third phase, and which is the last phase right here. You can see what. So get yours now. Password is Watprotocol, right? You can see Watprotocol right here. So you just have to copy it. So you know what? Let me just copy the Watprotocol, just that. Right, so I've successfully copied it, right? So let me unlock it right here. Watprotocol should open, right? Event unlocked. You can see it right here. You can see, right? So my mining has started. You can see mining has started right here. You can see, right? Mining has started. So that's the way you go about it. Just write Watprotocol. That's the code, right? Look at the mining, right? This is not up to 1% right here. When we're mining, accumulatively, the pool is 2 billion, watt points, right? So yeah, that's the way you go about it. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple, right? And you can upgrade all of this right here. Let me upgrade mine. Right? Don't always, forget this, right? Always upgrade this your capacity, right? I've upgraded mine to 37 right here. You can see 37, right? So just get more points, right? Get more points, then you can upgrade it. And don't ever forget to claim this your mining, right? And this is what I mined for the second phase, right? So let me show you right here. This is what I mined the second phase. So you claim it also, right? So when you claim this, it's going to come join what you mine in the first phase, right? This is what you mine in the first phase. The watt drop. This is what I mine in the first phase, right? That's the first pool, right? Yeah, you can see that, right? So that's it. So if I click on claim now, end claim now, it's going to join, right? So let me claim it. Then let's go check back the watt drop right here. You can see it has increased. Right? So that's the way you go about it. It's very, very simple. If you don't understand anything, please always ask questions, right? Always ask questions. And my mining section right now is currently ongoing, right? You can see that I invited like 20 people right here. All of them, they are not even active. Okay, only one is active, right? Only one is active. You see, that's the way to go about it. All these people, they don't know about it, you know, they don't know, right? So yeah, that's the way to go about it. And don't fade on this airdrop. It's a very, very promising airdrop, and you know, if you've not participated on it, you definitely missing out, right? And just so you know, this 2 billion watt points right that we're mining is the last phase, so you want to get on board as soon as possible. So I'm smart, like what I do, definitely stick around, subscribe, right? And you know, follow the Telegram page, right? Whichever place you're watching this from, and I'm definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out.